Welcome to our guide on how to open the Messages page on Instagram, updated for 2025. Whether you're connecting with friends or managing your business communications, accessing your messages is essential. Let's walk through the simple steps to get you there quickly. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't updated the app recently, it's a good idea to check for updates in your app store to ensure you have the latest features and improvements. Once you're in the app, look for the Messages icon at the top of the page. This icon resembles a paper airplane and is usually located in the upper right corner of your screen. Tapping this icon will take you directly to your Messages page. Now that you're on the Messages page, you'll see a list of all your conversations. Here you can browse through your messages, check for new notifications, and engage in conversations. If you want to start a new chat, simply tap on the pencil icon located in the top right corner. This allows you to select contacts from your followers or search for specific users. You can also manage existing conversations from this page. By tapping on any conversation, you can read previous messages, send replies, or even send photos and videos directly through the chat interface. If you're looking for a specific message within a conversation, use the search feature by tapping on the contact's name at the top of the chat screen. In summary, accessing your Messages page on Instagram is straightforward. Open the app, click on the Messages icon at the top of the page, and browse through your messages easily. This updated method ensures that whether you're using Instagram for personal or professional reasons, staying connected is just a few taps away. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to check back for more tips and tricks to enhance your Instagram experience. Happy messaging!